He's got it. Novak Djokovic, for the second time, is the Australian Open champion. They embrace for the moment. The wait for Great Britain goes on, 75 years and counting. Djokovic handled the occasion, the match, the opponent, totally tonight. 6-4, 6-2, 6-3. It is the easiest win in an Australian Open final since 2003.
Well, yeah, it was slightly one-sided. Andy Murray making a bit of a comeback towards the end, but a fitting end to an Australian Open that was really dominated by Novak Djokovic. It didn't look too convincing in some of the early rounds, but once the opposition got harder, he really stepped it up. And Thomas Berdych, Roger Federer, and Andy Murray in a row, 9-0, with no chance of really losing a set. Incredibly well done. And he has many more Grand Slams in him to win. And that #1 ranking in the world is going to come his way too soon if he keeps this attitude up and this work ethic.
There's not going to be much left by the time he's finished on this. Go on, Novak, I dare you. You can safely say he's pleased. It's his second major off the back of the Davis Cup triumph last year. Life is pretty sweet right now.
Well, I think he's going to get back on that party train that he was on after the Davis Cup and keep celebrating. Really well done. Congratulations to Novak Djokovic.
Something else to try to learn from for Andy Murray.